everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very special day and that's why I thought I should vlog this experience of mine. So you all know, and you've almost grown up with me, all my fans, that I have always acted. I've always been in front of the camera like I am right now. I love it, I love my profession and I've enjoyed so much, and I am going to explore. There's so much to explore there. But as you all know, if you don't know, I am doing my studies as well, where I'm studying filmmaking and I'm in the third year now. In filmmaking you get to know what happens behind the camera, what goes behind the camera, and in 3 years I've learned so much. Not only in my 3 years, because when I started acting I used to always try to learn what's happening behind, used to sit with the director, with the cameraman and everybody. And now since I am in college and I have a project to make, so you know, they were like that you have to come up with your own idea, write your own script, your own summary and everything individually. So I was really excited and nervous. So today we have reached the point where we have the script, we have the idea, we have everything ready, the cast, everything. And today we're going to shoot it. We're at the location and I'm so excited because I am the producer of this project, I'm the co-writer of this project, I am the co-creative director, the co-director, the co-casting. There's so much job I've already done, but I'm so excited to be on this project as you know, the behind the camera person. I'm going to show you the entire experience. We found this location. We are on a recce right now. I'm seeing the location and figuring out कि हम लोग क्या कहाँ shoot करने वाले हैं. So yeah, come and have this experience with me.
अच्छा लगेगा. Why they agree? Like उसका स्टोरी ऐसा है कि they are now sitting at a cafe. उस पर नोट लिखा हुआ है.
So हमने रेकी कर लिया है. We saw all the locations and everything is very nice and something जो हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि जो विजन कर रहे थे, बहुत कुछ है टू एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फिल्मिंग इन सम टाइम. एक्टर्स आर गेटिंग रेडी, वो अभी तैयार होकर आ जाएंगे. कैमरा भी यू कैन सी इज गेटिंग रेडी. दे डिस्कसिंग कि हम कहाँ से कैसे शुरुआत करेंगे. सो वी स्टार्टिंग विद आवर फर्स्ट सीन विच इज़ अ कैफ़े एंड दिस लुक लाइक सच अ नॉर्मल प्लेस बिफोर लाइक एडिंग 2-3 डिटेल्स. सो कितनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें यू नो मेक्स द सीन लुक मच बेटर एंड द एंटायर सिनेरियो लुक मच बेटर. रियली excited. ये स्लिपरी है ना जगह, इट्स वेरी स्लिपरी. देखा मैं अकेले नहीं स्लिप हो रही हूँ. सी somebody fell also because it's very like बहुत ज़्यादा ही स्लिप हो रहा है. and if you can see, अरे यार बारिश हो रही है. So we have some outdoor scenes and अभी हम indoor कर रहे हैं, indoor outdoor-ish. But we have some scenes which are like out in the open and we do not want rains to come. हमें नहीं चाहिए बारिश. But now I really have to go because I should also hear what shot is going on.
है ना?
The location has a lot of
vibe, yeah. And to be that first place where this happens,
it's a nice place for
yeah.
that. There's nice. Don't throw the origami.
प्रतीक यहाँ से अपन ने ब्लॉकिंग किया ना?
यहाँ से ना?
यहाँ से. You have to feel that this area, you know, this location, you know, तो यहाँ पे वेटिंग कर रहा है.
Get
familiar with the space. There's some excitement in you also. A little nervousness, a hint of nervousness कि आज कोई मेरा गाना सुनने वाला है finally. So in that sense,
something where I had to lip sync to a song. And when I was lip syncing and when I was actually not sing, I know it's uncomfortable, but if you sing it a little bit, ना हमें तो सुनाई नहीं देगा. But it actually ना नसें दिखती हैं यहाँ पे, तो पता चलता है कि you're singing. If you lip sync, this does not come. So it feels पता चलता है कि you are lip syncing to it. So try to sing it a little.
Sing it.
So it feels like, and you will also get the feel कि यार I'm actually singing.
गाना
So right now it's almost 3 p.m. and हमने बहुत अच्छा first sequence shoot किया the cafe area. So we were trying to get the actors comfortable with each other, comfortable with the area and you know familiar with the concept and everything. हम सबने बहुत अच्छे से discussion की, changes किए and it was so much fun to do that because like I could understand what goes through you know people's minds when they're watching somebody perform and they're like अरे मेरे दिमाग में you know ये होने वाला था but ये अलग हो रहा है but you know to get there to the vision and also letting the actors perform from their heart is like that combination is just fabulous. You can see there's a river and it's a very beautiful place where एक boat होने वाला है जहाँ पे the actors are going to sit and we are going to take some scenes here but we're just hoping and praying that it does not rain because rain में हम shooting कर पाएंगे and it look not really great.
ये 1 घंटे का दिखा रहा है फोरकास्ट. I think quickly.
If we shift to Indore.
हाँ we are shooting whatever we shooting there. जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स के साथ करना है. पेरेंट्स को तो रेडी करने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. इनको भी टाइम लगता है. कपड़ा करना है.
Next.
Nice, yeah? अरे told you.
ये बैक स्टोरी रख के वापस करेंगे तो मैं भी देखते हैं और नेचुरल आ सकते हैं. अभी वो लोग के पास है नहीं
इसलिए वो बहुत मैकेनिकल लग रहा है. It looks like we have asked him to come forward, step, relax, okay.
But that's in one shot. I will take it if I take shots.
Then it'll look better. This is adorable. I'll cry.
Cut, great, awesome.
Wow, so nice. I can't believe it. Lovely.
वहाँ से प्ले कर दे दो.
Nothing will happen. It's very safe. And action.
और डिफाइन वाला वो कुछ है क्या?
Pranmeet, shoulder नीचे. Let us see your face. Got this. पीछे लो.
Fab. Y'all look so good. सेकेंड के लिए लग रहा था एंड एक्चुअली नॉट 1 सेकेंड, बहुत देर के लग रहा था कि हम नहीं कर पाएंगे आउटडोर्स बिकॉज इट वाज रेनिंग हेवीली. लाइक ऐसा लग रहा था कि इट्स गोइंग टू रेन सो मच कि हमारा लाइक पूरा सेट ही डूब जाएगा. इट वाज रेनिंग सो मच बट लुक एट द वेदर नाउ. ऐसा लग रहा है कभी बारिश हुई ही नहीं. सो आई एम रियली ग्लैड वी कुड लाइक शूट द एंटायर boat sequence, everything, water sequence, everything, and they were performing so nicely. And सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से हो गया. Time to time हम चल रहे हैं and now we've shifted to this white house thingy which is really beautiful. And हम अभी सब setup कर रहे हैं and the actors are getting ready. Until then, I also did my influencer thing, took some pictures because obviously. But yeah, jokes aside, बहुत मजा आ रहा है, and I'm learning so much from all the incredible people. Our DOP sir is like legit. He's so good because you know Pratik sir जब भी वो frame कर रहे हैं, it's so symmetrical and it's so interesting to learn, you know, behind the camera. Act करते करते भी आप कहीं ना कहीं सीखते हो, but when you're not doing anything dedicatedly, you are behind the camera, you learn so much. And the weather is beautiful now. Yeah, and we're done with outdoors mostly. So I'm glad सब कुछ टाइम से हो रहा है. Just praying and hoping कि we finish everything. जब आपको फर्स्ट टाइम में मिला था तो ये अपने हिप हॉप इसमें आया था. आप सोचो आप एक ऐसी फैमिली में हो जो ट्रेडिशनल फैमिली है, ट्रेडिशनल गुजराती, अपने कल्चर्स, अपने वैल्यूज़, और ये एकदम ऑपोजिट है, एकदम ऑपोजिट. वो म्यूजिशियन है, वेटर भी है, तो यू नो आपने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया था, इसे आपने मना कर दिया था, रिजेक्ट कर दिया था. पर ये आप लोगों को कन्विंस करने के लिए आप लोग के कल्चर के बारे में जानने लगता है, धीरे धीरे आप लोग की हेल्प भी करता है घर पे. सो दिस इज़ व्हेन आपका जब मतलब वो पूरी मेहनत करके आपके पास पहुंचा है कि आप मुझे प्लीज़ एक्सेप्ट कर लो. लुक आप, मैं आपका गाना भी सीख रहा हूँ, मैं ये हिप हॉप सिंगर से इज बिकम लाइक ही इज कमिंग टू दिस क्लासिकल आप लोगों के लिए. सो दिस इज दैट पार्ट.
And this is the final straw.
फाइनल स्ट्रॉ.
A few hours later.
Cut. Good job, guys. Good job. मस्त है.
थोड़ी देर में आता ना बारिश हो जाती.
चल जो क्लोज बोला वो क्लोज लगाओ.
दे दो अभी दे दो. चलो ठीक. Yes. Okay. Big day. Important day.
And
Get in. Okay.
We should call it.
And that's back up.
So we are almost finishing with our music video, and it has been a very long day, exhausting day, but बहुत ही मज़ा आया, and I learned so much from the entire team, and we did everything possible so that you know the music video turns out great. Just found out that मेरे को idea होता था कि कितना difficult होता है back of the camera, but now I got to know much more. So yeah, I just have to say, you know, the team was incredibly supportive, very cooperative. It actually felt like my expectations से ज़्यादा you know हुआ है, and I was very happy with every single thing. Yeah, so I'm very excited to, you know, for my fans to see everything, even this BTS, so that they know what's going on behind the video. And yeah, it was exhausting, but I'm not tired because I'm very happy.
yes, you did a great job.
Thank you. That's so sweet. I
We
needed
did
that.
really nice today.
Yeah,
Yeah, no.
we did great.
Yeah,
no?
you did great too.
Thank you. Thank you. It's because of
It's because of her.
no, it's because of him.